In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in your Canva designs. Linking pages in your designs can be a fantastic way to create interactive presentations, projects, or even navigable PDFs. It makes your work more dynamic, engaging, and easier for your audience to navigate, which is especially helpful in a professional setting. So, let's dive in and explore how easy it is to link pages in Canva. Firstly, you'll want to have your Canva design open and ready. Make sure you've laid out your pages as you'd like them to appear in the final product. It's important to have a clear idea of which pages you want to link and the structure you'd like to follow, so take a moment to plan this out before you begin. To start creating links, select the element you want to make interactive. This could be a piece of text or an image, depending on your design's objective and style. Once you've selected your element, look to the top toolbar and locate the link icon. It typically looks like a small chain link. Clicking this icon will open a URL field where you can add external links or, in our case, connect to another page within your design. Now, instead of inserting a web address, we'll take the focus to linking pages internally. In the URL field that pops up, you'll see a section labeled Pages in this doc. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, showing you a list of all the pages in your current design. Simply scroll through and select the page you wish to link to. This action creates an internal link from your selected element to the chosen page, making it navigable. After you've set the link, it's crucial to test it. Switch to present mode by clicking the Present button positioned at the top right corner of your Canva screen. This view will simulate how your design will appear to viewers, allowing you to ensure that the links work as intended. Click on the element you linked, and confirm that it directs you to the correct page. Testing will help prevent any broken links or navigation errors, saving you both time and headaches. An additional tip: it's a good idea to use clear and consistent visuals or naming conventions for your linked elements. This not only helps you during the creation process but also provides a smoother navigation experience for your audience. Consider using buttons or clear text prompts to signal to the user that the element is clickable. Once you've successfully linked all necessary pages and tested them, you can save your design. Download it in your desired format, whether it's PDF or as a presentation, to ensure compatibility with your end use. And there you have it, the simple, yet effective method for linking pages within your Canva design. With this skill, you can enhance the professionalism and functionality of your projects, making them more interactive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!